Actually, marami na po sa mga kababayan natin ang familiar with public-private partnerships. Hindi lang po naiintindihan pa ng marami o kung paano ito nagbe-benefit to both sides. I mean, madali namang mag-gets na it benefits sa private sector. Pero po halimbawa, kung ako yung karaniwang tao lang na nanonood sa inyo, tapos sabi ko, ano pa pakialam ko dyan? Anong papala ko dyan bilang karaniwang Pilipino? Ano po ba sagot niyo doon?
Well, I mean, it's like MRT. Look at your MRT. People ride the MRT, di ba? That's puro private na yan, almost all. So, if the government runs it, parang it cannot run it. It's not made, the government is not made to run an MRT, right? An MRT company is made to run an MRT. Parang doktor, di ba? Parang will the government become the doctor? Or will the government tell the doctor to be the doctor, di ba? So, ganun lang, ganun kasimple. So, whatever you're trained for, di ba? Ikaw, you're going for your PhD, di ba, RJ? So,
Nag-aaral po.
Nag-aaral. Yun. So, what you make aral, di ba? That's what you're hired for. Kasi if the government does it, mahirapan sila, di ba? They're made to regulate, make sure it's attractive, make sure, build the roads, mga ganun, no? The other one is PPP of the roads. Makita mo all the highways that are being built, no? Okay. I never thought that I'd be able to go to Baguio in 2.5 hours.
Yeah, di ba?
In my lifetime. And look, the government privatized PPP'd with the
sa
with the private sector.
Di ba yung, nung araw talaga, hindi ko, dati po kasi, I live in Bulacan for most of my life. Pag magbabago kami nun, 6 hours minimum yun, papanik. Exactly. Tapos ngayon, pag Bulacan, we can actually do it in like 2 hours.
Enjoy ka pa, di ba? Yung drive mo, hindi ka na-stress, wala masyadong traffic. So, let the private sector partner with the government.